Hey everyone, today we are breaking down a groundbreaking approach to cloud security that combines multi factor authentication with smart adaptive encryption. Imagine a system that doesn't just lock your door with one key but uses multiple locks and automatically changes them based on the type of threat it detects. That's what we are diving into today. So, we did this using the medical based project. So, this is our page. Okay, so now we have a nav bar, right? So here we can see doctor login, hospital login, admin login, and patient login. Let's firstly go with the admin login. Using the credentials, I'm logging in. So this is our admin dashboard. So only the admin can register the hospital, and also they can see the hospitals and the patients as well. So firstly register our hospital. Okay, I have registered the hospital now. So in view hospitals we can see the details. Okay, so now let's log into that hospital. Here hospital only will know the who are the doctors as well as who are the patients and all, right, so they will be registering it separately. So in our hospital dashboard we are going to register a doctor. So they come under Apollo, so we can't change that one, which is actually a security purpose. So here we have our face recognition one. We have to capture like 15 photos. Okay, so successfully we have took the photos and complete the registration. So now we can see the doctors, which one we have added here. So now let's log into the doctor dashboard. So the face recognition has shown it is the correct one. So this is our doctor dashboard. Here we can see what are the patient's appointments and reports and all. So before that, let's register a patient as well. So I have registered the patient. Now we can see the patients in the view patient section. So now let's log in through the patient dashboard as well. Here we can see our appointments and reports. Okay, so first we have a chatbot here. So using this chatbot, we will be able to book an appointment. So basically, which is a easy one. Now, let me make it bigger, and here we go. So I'm saying like I have cold, cough, sore throat, and headache. So it requires another symptom. So let me give it as like body pain. So it have analyzed my. Okay, so now it shows as like there is one hospital available. So if I want to register through that, I have to press one. I mean, give one. So I have, if there is number of hospitals, it will be showing the number of hospitals, and we can select whichever hospital, like first one or second one through the numbers we have. So there are one doctor who is in general who will be handling the cold cough and all, right? So we can type S now. So if you don't want to book an appointment at all, we can just give a test no, and we can go out of this. So I'm booking an appointment. So now I'm just following the given. Okay, so now the appointment has been scheduled successfully. Now if I go to the doctor one, it will automatically get the appointment from me. So in the back, so like if I doesn't have to wait, I have already booked the appointment. So if I could able to see them, I can go and see them, see the doctor as in the offline one. So the hospital doctor will check it as like mark as completed. Then so the hospital doctor will be adding the report, right? So there is an add report section. So I'm selecting the report type. I'm just giving the vital signs. And temperature, as I told, I have the fever, so I'm giving 1 or 2, and breathes 90%. And the prescription, so I'm just giving as like have a good rest, and or else I give the paracetamol basically. Okay, so the report has been successfully uploaded. So here I can upload it to the server, which is nothing but the cloud one. So here I'm uploading it. So successfully uploaded. So in the my report section, the vital sign reports will be came to the patient dashboard. So here I can preview it. So it will be as a PDF one, or else if I want to download also, I can get it as downloaded. Easy, right? So we have booked an appointment, and we saw the doctor, and the doctor gave the reports and prescription as well, and those details will be available to in our dashboard as well, so that we can just preview or download whatever we want. And here we have included the face recognition, right? This is basically a Java project which have the backend as Java Spring Boot. So how we have included the face recognition into the our project. So basically we have included the ONNX model, which is nothing but a model which can be fetched from the model we are training in the Python one. So even though we are programming in Python, either we can choose ONNX model as a one, or else the another option will be Python services, microservices. So it will be difficult one, so I have to run the Java as well and as the Python one. So it's quite difficult. So we have included the ONNX model into our backend, which is nothing but Java Spring Boot, and we have included the ONNX with the JSON formats and the symptoms and all. So we can just include the Python model into it, and it is automatically giving the chatbot and whatever the things we have did in the ONX model, we can fetch it here. So we have did like the face recognition one and as well as the chatbot one, which will automatically give the appointment from a patient to the doctor. So as we told from the front, the main objective of the project is to check the threats. So in the analytics part, we can see the threats. So either it is brute force attack or whatever it can be. So it will be giving the results here. Okay. I hope you people enjoyed it and liked it. Thank you.